When you install a lift kit and skip the alignment, your truck might look awesome, but your tires and suspension are taking the hit. A lift changes your suspension geometry. That means camber, caster, and toe are all shifted out of spec. And when those angles are off, problems start showing up fast. One of the first things you're going to notice is pulling left or right. If you let go of your steering wheel for a second and the truck drifts to one side, that's a clear sign that your alignment is off. Toe or caster imbalance can cause this. And it doesn't just make driving annoying, it actually forces your tires to scrub sideways down the road. That adds heat, friction, and extra stress every mile you drive. Another early symptom is steering wheel shake. When alignment angles aren't correct, your tires don't roll smoothly. They fight against each other. That can cause vibration through the steering wheel, especially at highway speeds. A lot of people assume their tires just need balancing, but sometimes the real problem is alignment geometry. Now let's talk about camber. Camber is the tilt of your tire when viewed from the front. If the top leans outward, that's positive camber. If it leans inward, that's negative camber. After a lift, camber often shifts out of spec. That means you're driving on the inner or outer edge of your tread instead of the full contact patch. Less contact with the road means less traction, less stability, and more strain on your suspension components. There are also mechanical side effects people don't think about. Worse fuel economy from adding rolling resistance, a loose or wandering steering feel, longer stopping distances, extra stress on ball joints, tie rods, wheel bearings, and bushings, and reduced stability when towing or hauling weight. All of that adds up over time. Now let's talk about what shows up later: tire wear and noise. This usually takes some time to develop, but once it starts, it gets expensive. Instead of wearing flat across your tread, you'll see one edge wearing faster than the other, or weird patterns like feathering and cupping. That uneven wear changes how the tread hits the pavement, and that's when the noise starts. You'll hear humming, chopping, or roaring sounds that gets louder with speed. And once that wear pattern forms, the sound usually stays, even if you fix the alignment afterward. This is also why tire rotations are so important. Rotating your tires moves them to different positions on the truck, so they don't all wear in the same way. Front tires usually wear faster from steering and braking. Rear tires wear differently from load and acceleration. By rotating them regularly, you'll even out the wear across all four tires, expand their lifespan, and keep road noise lower. If you don't rotate, one pair can wear out way before the others, especially if your alignment is slightly off. Bottom line, if you install a lift kit, always get an alignment right after. Rotate your tires regularly and keep an eye on tread wear patterns. That protects your tires, your suspension, your steering components, and your wallet. Because skipping a simple alignment or ignoring rotations can turn into replacing tires way sooner than you should. I hope this video cleared things up for you on this topic. If this helps, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you have any alignment stories that could potentially help the next person. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.